So let's do a little work with population densities and trying to figure out how we can figure those things out. Here's a picture I have here of two, we're going to pretend forest stands, and they have trees in them. As we can see here, this measures 10 meters long by 5 meters wide. Same thing on the right hand side, 10 meters long by 5 meters wide. The obvious difference between them is that this has 6 trees in it, whereas this one has 11. So in some situations like this, it's really easy to see that obviously this one is much more dense because it has more trees in the same size area. But let's prove it mathematically. So mathematically, what we would do is we first start with our population density formula. And so let's write that. Density is equal to the total number of individuals, in this case it would be trees, divided by the unit area. So we ask ourselves, like we do with any math problem, which of these 3 variables do we know? Do we know density? No, that's what we're trying to figure out. Do we know the total number of individuals? Yes, we do. Over here on the left-hand side, we have 6 individuals. So density over here is equal to 6 trees, those are our individuals, divided by the unit area. Well, you remember from math class, if you take length times width, that will equals area. The length is 10 meters, the width is 5 meters, that equals 50, and there are 2 meters here, meters squared. So now this number is our area, and as we can see, it goes down here in the denominator. So let's put it over here, 50 meters squared. Okay? So this number just came from counting the individuals. This number here on the bottom came from actually figuring out what the area is. We can also do that on this side. The total number of individuals, so density equals 11 trees divided by the unit area, 10 by 5 is 50 square meters. Then we take our calculator out and we actually do the division. Over here, 6 divided by 50 equals 0.12. And we bring over both units, trees, per meter squared, or square meter. Over here, we do 11 divided by 50, and we end up with 0.22. And didn't leave enough room here, so I'll write it here. 0.22 trees per meter squared. So we bring over our units into our answer. Okay, bring over the units to the answer. That's how you figure out population density. Let's do one more where it's not real obvious what the answer is. In fact, there's no picture at all. So we have a garden that is 5 square meters. So it's 5 meters here and it's 5 meters here. And the total number of pea plants is 20. I don't want to draw them all out, so I'm just going to put down that the total number is 20. What's the density? So you start off by writing your formula. Density equals total number of individuals divided by the unit area. Okay, so we need to figure out what the density is. The density is equal to, the total number of individuals is 20 peas, divided by the unit area. 5 times 5 is 25. Meters times meters is meters squared. And so we take our calculator and we go 20 divided by 25 equals 0.8 p's per meter squared. That's the way that you will do all of your density problems.